Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Lush Bubble Bars. To begin, hold your chosen bubble bar directly under the running tap water as your bath fills. You only need a small piece, about 1/4 to 1/2 of a bar, for a luxurious experience. As the water flows, the bar will dissolve, releasing its delightful fragrance and creating a mountain of soft, fluffy bubbles for your soak. For an even more impressive bubble display, try crumbling your bubble bar inside a sieve or a clean muslin bag under the running water. This method helps distribute the product more evenly, leading to a richer, denser foam. You can also vigorously swish the water with your hand or foot to activate more bubbles, transforming your bath into a truly bubbly paradise. To ensure your bubble bar lasts for multiple baths, proper storage is key. After each use, allow any remaining portion to air dry completely. Then, store it in a dry, airtight container or a paper bag, away from humidity. This simple step prevents the bar from dissolving prematurely and preserves its delightful scent and bubble-making power for future indulgent soaks. Lush Bubble Bars offer more than just bubbles. They provide a truly immersive and therapeutic escape. Infused with nourishing ingredients and exquisite essential oils, they leave your skin feeling soft and beautifully scented. Plus, each bar typically provides between 2 and 8 baths, offering excellent value and many opportunities for a delightful, fragrant, and bubbly retreat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.